In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Wix website. Bringing visual content into your site is an essential part of creating an engaging online presence. And today, we'll walk through this process step by step to make things as straightforward as possible. Let's jump right into it. First, when you have your Wix editor open, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you will find a panel filled with different options designed to help you customize your site. What we're looking for is an option labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to all sorts of dynamic site additions. Within Add Elements, you'll see various categories, but our focus today is Image. Click on this option to open up a world of visual possibilities. Once you're there, look for a button that reads Upload Images. Clicking this will present you with choices for sourcing your visuals. Now, you have a decision to make. Where do you want to select your media from? The beauty of Wix is its flexibility. If you have an image saved locally on your computer, choose Your Computer. This option will open up a file browser window, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Simply find the image you wish to use, select it, and we'll be just a step away from adding it to your page. But maybe the image you have in mind is on one of your other Wix sites. If that's the case, click Your Other Wix Sites. This convenient option lets you access images you've previously uploaded to any site you've built within your account, making resource sharing a breeze. Alternatively, the photo you want might be nestled in the depths of social networks or residing out there on the web with just a URL. Whether it's a photo you've shared on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or somewhere else entirely, or a link to an online image, you can source it directly. Just select the appropriate option and follow the prompts to locate your desired image. Once you've found the image and have it selected, the next step is to integrate it into your site. Click the Add to Page button. This action will incorporate the image into your website, wherever your cursor is currently active, or at a default location set by whatever template or page setting you have. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your Wix site. Remember, adding visuals is not simply about making your site look good. It's about enhancing the user experience and conveying your message more effectively. Adjust and move your images as needed to fit just perfectly with the rest of your content. Thanks for following along today, and I'm confident you'll create something amazing with these tips. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and happy designing.